Tenants of a Northampton apartment complex are upset, saying the management company hasn't done enough to enforce the no smoking policy. 22 News reporter Matt Karen joins us live at our Hampshire County Bureau tonight after speaking with the property management company.
That's right. There's about 250 apartments at the Meadowbrook complex, and many of the tenants who live there told 22 News that their neighbors are still smoking.
In 2013, a fire caused by smoking materials destroyed a Meadowbrook apartment building. There's a no smoking policy, but tenants told 22 News it's not being followed.
I know for a fact a lot of people do smoke in their privates because every time I go into their places, it smells heavily of cigarette smoke.
Others don't like the policy.
To tell someone you can't smoke in your own apartment, like if you pay the bills, what does it matter? Personally.
What about the people around you who also pay the bills?
If it's that big an issue, I mean, keep it in your own space, or they have porches that could be used.
When the 22 News I-team visited the Meadowbrook Apartments in February, these no smoking signs had not been put up yet. Now they are up, but tenants told 22 News it hasn't stopped people from violating the no smoking policy. And when you look on the ground just feet from the door, there are cigarette butts.
Cigarette butts also litter the ground near the children's playground.
There's kids around here too, so if they play with their mom's lighter or anything that starts a fire, it's a hazard.
And outside of the management office, a cigarette receptacle. 22 News went to the property manager for answers.
You can't talk to us at all? Is there a reason why?
It's just their policy.
We called ownership, who eventually gave us permission to talk to the property manager. She refused to go on camera, but said they follow up on complaints and admitted that enforcing the policy has been difficult.
And the property manager told 22 News that all the tenants were given a copy of the smoking policy before September of last year. If anyone is caught smoking in one of the buildings, they can be evicted. Reporting live at our Hampshire County Bureau in Northampton, Matt Karen, 22 News.